Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Christmas accessories is probably one of the most exciting things to shop for during the holiday season, especially when it comes to the little ones. From festive hats and adorable outfits to fun toys and decorations, there's a whole world of options to explore. In this video, we're diving into the top Christmas accessories for kids, helping you find the perfect items to make this holiday extra special and memorable. Number 5. 9-pack Snowman DIY Kit, Christmas Gift for Kids. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This Snowman kit is perfect. It comes beautifully packaged, making it a great choice for birthdays or Christmas. It's ideal for kids ages 3 and up. This kit has everything you need to create 9 snowmen. It includes white air-dry clay and 87 craft accessories like hats, scarves, eyes, and buttons. It's easy for everyone to use. The clay is soft, ultralight, and safe for kids. It's non-toxic and doesn't make a mess. You can be sure that it is quality assured and doesn't leave any residue. The soft clay is perfect for little hands. Shape your snowman and then decorate it with the included accessories. It air dries completely within 24 hours. This DIY kit offers endless creative possibilities for a fun sensory experience. It's a great activity for Christmas parties, rainy days, or birthday parties. It is also great for parent-child interaction. What we like? This DIY snowman kit is perfect for sparking creativity. It's safe, non-toxic, and provides a fun sensory experience. If you're looking for a unique and engaging activity for kids during the holidays, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for Christmas parties or rainy day fun. What people say. Our elves brought us this wonderful activity this morning and it has been such a hit. The kids have been creating all sorts of snowmen. It came with 9 snow doughs, which thankfully did not have any smells and once opened was very satisfying to the kids to squish and hear. The snowman kits come bagged with 2 eyes, nose, hat, 2 arms and 3 buttons, but also has 3 scarves and 3 Santa hats too. I bought this snowman craft kit for a family gathering with kids ages 2 to 13, and it was a total win. It entertained all the kids for a long stretch, and while they made snowmen, they also got creative and built all kinds of other things too. The best part? It doesn't stick to clothes, so cleanup was a breeze. Easy, fun, and affordable, highly recommend for any holiday activity. 24-hour dry time. Soft and pliable. I wasn't sure what to expect. Had a fun night with family. Not messy. Easy to use and mold. I wish they were bigger but we'll just use 2 clay containers to make it easier for the adults' bigger hands. The pieces were perfect size. Had so much laughing. No smell. Would purchase again. Number 4. JOYIN Christmas Lighted Necklace and Santa Hat Headband. Get ready to spread holiday cheer with this fantastic bundle. It includes a lighted headband and a necklace with 9 bright bulbs. This set is perfect for bringing festive joy to everyone. Both the headband and the necklace come with batteries already installed. You can start using them right away. The batteries are also replaceable, so the fun can continue. The headband is designed to fit everyone, making it ideal for the whole family. It's a simple way to add some fun to your holiday celebrations. These accessories are ideal for Christmas parties, ugly sweater parties, and family gatherings. They're great for Christmas dress-up, light-up toys, and decorations. These Christmas accessories are suitable for various occasions. Use them at Christmas parties, events, birthdays, weddings, and gift exchanges. They're a great way to add some sparkle to any celebration. What we like? This set includes a lighted headband and necklace, ready to wear right out of the box. With batteries included and a one-size-fits-all design, it's perfect for the whole family. If you're planning a Christmas party or family gathering, this is a simple way to add some festive cheer. What people say. Super cute. Worked great. My kids loved them. Exactly like picture. So festive. The hat was beautiful, ideal for partying, very bright value for money, and fun.it had 3 modes on it, i.e. fast, medium and stays on modes. Ideal. Number 3. JOYIN Christmas LED Headband and Necklace Set. Get ready to shine with this amazing set. It includes light-up headbands and necklaces, perfect for spreading holiday cheer. You'll receive 6 pieces in total, each with 6 different flashing modes. It's easy to use and adds a festive touch to any outfit. These accessories are ideal for Christmas parties and other celebrations. They are great for casual or dressed-up outfits. This set is a great gift for yourself, friends, or family. It's suitable for all ages and perfect for various holiday events. The products are child-safe, non-toxic, and meet U.S. toy standards. We prioritize customer safety and satisfaction. Contact us if the products don't meet your expectations. We are here to ensure every moment brings you joy with these fun accessories. What we like. This set offers multiple light modes and comes in a value pack, perfect for sharing the holiday spirit. It's also child-safe, ensuring peace of mind. If you're looking for fun accessories for a Christmas party or a family get-together, this set is a great choice. What people say. Fun headbands and necklaces that fit kids and adults without hurting or squeezing your head. We got some last year and you can replace the batteries to use again and again. Used these at my family and my in-laws' Christmas celebrations. Was loved by all. Great photo props as well. These were a hit at our girls' holiday party. Everyone got a kick out of receiving one at our party and we took some fun pictures. Number 2. Light Up Christmas Necklace, 4 PCS Christmas Bulb. Get ready to shine this Christmas with this amazing necklace. It's the perfect accessory to light up any party and spread holiday cheer. This Christmas light necklace is ideal for Christmas parties, ugly sweater parties, and any festive gathering. It's designed to make you the life of the party. You'll receive a set of 4 necklaces, each with 26 colorful LED bulbs. This ensures you have plenty to share or wear throughout the holiday season. The necklace features 3 different light modes: random blinking, uniform blinking, and steady on. You can choose the setting that best fits the mood. Made from safe PVC and LED lamp beads, this necklace is designed for comfort and durability. The universal size makes it suitable for most people. These Christmas light sets are perfect for family gatherings, work parties, and more. Wear it and enhance the festive atmosphere wherever you go. What we like. This necklace features colorful LED lights with multiple flashing modes, perfect for adding some sparkle to your outfit. Made from safe materials, it's suitable for all ages. If you like to stand out at your next holiday gathering, this necklace is a must-have. What people say. All worked as advertised and I'm very happy with the necklace. You can have either solid on, flashing, or rotating. Perfect for wearing to school during dress-up days and 4 quick gifts. Number 1. Christmas Sequins Hair Clips for Girls. These adorable Christmas hair clips come in cute bow shapes. They are fluffy, comfortable, and beautiful to wear. They are a great gift for friends and family during the holidays. These clips make your little girls look more cute and fashionable. They are gorgeous, bright, and beautiful, making you stand out. The clips match any Christmas outfit. These hair clips are perfect for keeping hair out of your little one's eyes. They can be used with pigtails or ponytails to complete the hairstyle. The clips will stay in place, no matter the hair type. The clips are fully covered with smooth grosgrain ribbon, ensuring there are no sharp edges. They are safe for your loved ones to wear. The bows are lightweight and have a strong grip. The bows are made of quality non-woven sequins and grosgrain ribbon, which will hold its shape. They are made from comfortable cloth, and the metal clips have good rust prevention. The alligator clips are wrapped in cloth. What we like. These hair clips come in cute Christmas designs and are safe for kids. You can use them to keep hair out of eyes. If you are looking for a cute and safe accessory to complete your little one's holiday look, these clips are a perfect choice. What people say. We were very surprised at how well made and beautiful they actually are. My granddaughter loves them. Good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.